far away I come from.
I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays, I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days, I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around and keep you stagnant, distraction. So you don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping. Stacking them Franklins, them Grants, and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never just unpacking. I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help them, it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then it's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself.
Practice what you preach.
Yo, what's up, people? Let's see, we are on 4, this is 3. Let's see, refreshing the screen. It is currently 9:20. This week we got FOMC funds rate. So today should be a great day for trading, right? Monday before FOMC. Tuesday, there's no news virtually. So it's probably gonna be trash. Let's see. Yeah, it's only USD stuff in here. Let me put in some Euro stuff. Let's see, we got anything? Okay. So Tuesday probably gonna be trash. Today should be a decent day. You know, FOMC, Wednesday, and then see where the manipulation is, right? Share with you my thoughts. This is NQ on the, all right, this is the daily. So last week I talked about getting to the upper part of this daily Fibonacci gap. That's what I am looking into. So these highs right here, which is last week Wednesday high for NQ, all right, which is practically almost there, all right, and then Wednesday's high for ES. Okay, now on the last week we caught these longs after catching some choppy L's. Okay, caught some, make sure I'm recording. Okay, yeah, man, caught some L's here, trying to be a little too precise. Said I was gonna close the chart, and right as I was closing, I changed my mind, found a setup, and I'm glad I did, and it worked out. Okay, we ended up targeting, let's see here, we ended up targeting New York's high, London's high, and then Asia's high. Okay, those were our targets last week, and then this was the only one left. Wednesday highs the week, so I do think we get up there. You got some SMT that happened at 3:15 that took price up here. All right, it is currently 9:23. Okay, market is open. We're probably mostly gonna tape read today, honestly. I was only $600 from passing the My Funded Futures challenge, and then this morning I caught a scalp on these sells. Honestly, didn't hold it, wanted to be something quick, and now I'm only $230 from passing. Okay, so I'm probably gonna take that on my phone, just being honest with you. I can go ahead and execute here, but we'll see, because one contract will get me there quickly, but I do want to focus on just having a good trade. Okay, so this was an area of interest, which is the reason why I did sell here. I should have just let this ride, but you know, still profitable. What I think we do next week or this week, right? And I don't know how eventful FOMC is going to be, but I want a 70% retracement from Thursday's low. This area has my eye. I don't know if we actually get all the way down here today. You know, we can probably come down here, come up some, then come back down, you know, and then of course Tuesday could be really choppy. So we can come back down here, get really choppy, then do a manipulation before going up. I also wouldn't be surprised if we just continue up for today, then Tuesday get a little choppy, and then FOMC, you know, FOMC just raves down before buying the dip. Okay, but overall I am bullish, like I said, to get to that upper part. So I'm gonna put last week's high. I don't think last week's high stays intact. All right, we're just looking for a setup here before market opens, or probably when market opens. So I have some equal lows here, which is right where price closed in regular trading hours. So I'd like to see this holds up, where we can just do this. You know, I expect it to be a smooth day. It doesn't have to be a great range day, but I honestly think it can. So I'm just gonna be patient, see how price reacts, and then kind of go from there. If we come down here, I don't see why we don't come all the way down, but again, I don't think we have to get the entire range. So I only need a little scalp. All right, go check on the dog. I'll be right back. All right. Oh, are we rolling over contracts? Let's see. NQ is at 89, 90, 91. Let me put in here. Is it time for contracts to roll over? Let me see. In Q1, in Q2, Let's see. I don't know. I usually go off of NQ1. So NQ2 is synced and then NQ1. So I'm just gonna focus on NQ1. Market open now. Alright, I'm a log in. Let me pause this real quick. Alright, and I'm back. Alright, market is open now. Let's see. And we have these areas of interest. Alright. These are the equal lows. This is market open. Let's see where we go. Alright, so you got the first gap. Wait, no, that's not first gap, but first candle, that is. Let's see these equal lows. It look like you got this fair value gap that is holding. Okay. So far. It's a 15-minute gap too. So we're about to have the first gap here. What I don't want to do is chase 230 bucks and end up taking a stupid trade and it goes in drawdown. Because believe me, I have done it. Okay, so I still want to take a decent trade even if I'm not holding it. Yes, I am overall bullish. Curious to see if we take last week's high before coming back down, or we go down first, you know. But I do feel like this draw on liquidity is right here at these equal lows. Right here at these equal lows. So, just curious to see. Alright, we're about to get this gap here. I mean, continuation Mondays, man. I don't really, besides last week's high as being a target, the only other upside that I have is this fair value gap up here. You know, do we get all the way up there today? Maybe. Maybe. Alright, so we got, looks like we are really bullish. Just gonna be patient. We got 830 price. We are at a premium. I mean, we opened up above 830. We opened up above last week's close. We are above midnight price. I mean, we are at a premium, you know. At the same time, if we're finishing objectives from Friday, then we just have continuation Monday and, retracement into a fair value gap. It suffice. I don't see a breaker, but price could just continue. I'd like to see just if market open holds, if market open holds, or if we're gonna come back down here, come back to this inversion fair value gap, the one that created this SMT, and we have not traded back into it as of yet. So is it absolutely necessary? No, but I like to see, even if NQ doesn't, I'd like to see ES do it, like somebody do it, but yeah. At 940, this should be a gap as well. It's just going. We got last week's high on the new contract. All right. See, on the new contract, this whole thing look like market open gap. I ain't gonna lie, but you know what? This how it be Mondays before. When you get those continuation days, price just go. It just goes. Don't worry, it has to come back down. Like, it has to. Somebody is going to somebody's chasing this, and we're gonna have to come back down. Somebody's chasing this.
The chat is undefeated. The chat is undefeated when it comes to just being amazing. Undefeated. Landon, come here. Here, pull that chair up here. Put the chair over here. Go hit the camera. Put the chair. Oh, push it over the thing. Push it over the thing. Oh.
Damn, it just goes. Trust me, as tempting as it might be to just jump in and buy, you know, if you buy, it's gonna be. Trust me, as soon as I buy, that thing would and just drop down. Nah, not doing it.
Alright, you take a look at the chart. What do you got? Gotta go here. Alright, you tell me. I'm going long or going short? We're going long still? No. Now we're going short. Don't let me mess with you. Short. I don't know. I don't know if I agree. I don't know if I agree with you. Maybe. It's still going up though. Why do you want to short though? Just because it's going higher or why? You got a reason? $100. You got $100 tip just for you. You got $100 just for you, buddy.
For me?
For you. What are you gonna use it on? You gotta buy your haircut later. All right. What else? You want to take it short here or take it long? All right. If the market just keeps going higher and you want to put more money in your bank account, what do? Go short or long? You want to go long? You want to go short? Well, all right. He's going short, chat. Where you're taking profit at? Well, 860. No, you're short right now, so you want it to go down. Yeah. You know how it works. He's gonna. All right. We'll put your target at 848. Right, for 10 points. You're short right now. Boom. You just made $200. $200. $200. 12-year-old making $200. Right now, there's 4,500 people watching you, so don't be shy. Don't worry. They're here for me, not for you. But maybe a little bit of you. Give them some advice. Give some advice on life. 12-year-old advice. What you got? Make good trades. Okay, I like it.
Make good money.
Ooh! Make good trades, make good money. That right there, look, it still went lower. You were right about the short. You were right. Look, it still went lower. Went all the way down here. So now we gotta wait for that bull flag. Bull flag? You know what a bull flag is? The bull flag. You don't know what the bull flag is? Dude, you gotta get my course. I'll sell it to you for cheap. Look, Tradeify gave you $100, right?
Yeah.
So my course is $199.
Just want a little
So you
bit.
only need $99
I don't want
to buy
nothing
my
crazy.
course, and then you can have it. Nothing free around here, boy. Nothing free. All right, right now NASDAQ.
Just a little scalpy scalp.
Looking, let's look at the 15-minute range here. We'll pull up the Lux Algo set up here for our 15-minute
As soon as I get
range,
that,
and,
I
we'll
will
see how
close
is
this
looking.
bad boy. Need about 230. 230. That's 280, 185. Why that thing hit at 230 and didn't go against me?
No, I guess because it's
I just feel like we gotta get back down. Even if we don't get all the way down to market open, we just gotta get down there,
a
right?
bit of a pullback here. We're gonna
Okay, that was. Oh no!
the short from
This is why you gotta have market.
He looks pretty good now.
That was.
Short right there, comes right
Ugh.
here. Let's make a
What was that? 210 it closed at? So I'm short like 20 bucks.
You know when the first 15 minutes happens. What do you think?
So I should have just had the take profit area.
The opening range is? No clue. It's like when you do like a test at school, there's like a multiple choice.
Oh, that's funny. Alright, I'm short 10 bucks, not 20, but I'm short $10. Can I get $10? That's one tick, but don't chase it. Do not chase it. What I was trying to do is close it when it got to 250, 240, not exactly 230, so that covers the commission fees as well. But
19,871 pivot point, being patient, waiting for the right opportunities here.
the way, because everybody's trying to short to get back into it. This is the new contract. These are both in queue, but this is the new contract on the right, and this is the June contract on the right, March contract on the left. Okay, I am looking for some kind of retracement here. All right, now this could be, all right, this could be a breaker.
We're gonna target
Okay,
850s.
this could be a breaker.
60, so we'll
Where we
see.
drop down, but don't drop down all the way
Oh god.
to that market open candle.
Oh god.
Okay, worth the watch.
Oh lord. Oh lord. It's going. Look at it. Look at it. Why don't
If I can make the $10, what I'm gonna do is then switch to demo. You know what I mean?
That's our profit.
I'm watching Patrick Whelan trade with his son today, man. As the I guess it's his son's birthday. I'm like, shouldn't kids be in school right now? But I don't recall growing up having St. Patrick's Day off. You know, we were definitely we'd come to school dressed in green, so are we gonna go down to these equal lows? I could have hopped back in for the $10 and wait.
We were a little early to this, maybe. Not good, chat. Not good. Right there to the 21 EMA. Oh, Lord.
See, I think everybody's trying to sell now,
Stopped out.
and this could be a breaker.
Go get a job. It's over for you. Your
That goes right back up.
Just like that. Just like that. Oh, man.
I have these equal lows as areas of
You got the
interest.
short, but just then you got greedy on the wall.
Let's see.
You could have got short there again.
We got a 15-minute candle. That's not a bad looking candle.
Could have been.
Let's see what happens.
You're not in 5th grade. Someone said
If we
back.
get a reaction or not.
He's a 7th grader, all right? Listen up, assholes. He's a 7th grader. All right, right now Nasdaq again blowing back into the middle of that 15.
All right, so it looked like
here.
taking last week's high. Yeah, I just don't know.
See how this goes.
Is it 949? All right, so we about to get the 950 macros.
15-minute
seconds.
Area here.
See where it goes. ES did not take last week's high.
Still deeper. Got the ES and the NASDAQ, everything pulling back right here. There's the
Think I would have got
NASDAQ pulling
$10 if I sold.
ES also pulling back here, 5-minute chart. Currently pulling back. Everything's just pulling back here now. The market's pulling back. What you got? You want a long? Take the long.
But like 70% retracement.
Right here, just get long. Oh man, you're crazy, dog. Crazy dog, he's long.
I like going long.
Alright, he's up. Looks good so far. Tell me when to take profit. Yeah, you tell me when to take profit.
Let's see, what we doing? What we doing? What we doing?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Yeah.
Okay. When you're trading your P&L right now. He said take profit when he's up $400. Right? All right. We're up 350, 400. Let it go more. He's getting greedy, chat. He's getting greedy. He wants more. He wants more. Oh shit. Now you're gonna see what happens when you get greedy. You could have took $400. You could have been up $400.
Look like we are going back up.
Still in. He's still in.
Alright. Alright.
He's pushing.
Alright. Past it. Let's do. I'm gonna switch to demo
Still pushing.
and be right back. Alright, I'm back. We're back on demo. We're gonna focus on tape reading. Yo, Patrick.
Long from 750. He's looking for the 810 area here. Can he get it? He's up $1,000. He's up $1,000. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Come on. Come on, kid. Come on, don't look at it. Oh, God. I'll hit my car. I'll hit my car. Oh, man, it's right there. It's right there. Oh, it wants it. Oh. Okay. Okay, chat. Will he get billed at 12-year-old? You want to take profit now? You can take it early. Or you want to go for the full? Drop it a bit. A little bit. How much? Right there? Right there. All right, we're dropping it a little bit. Take profit. And he gets billed. Woo! Money, money, money! Money, money, money! You would have got filled either way. But still, take profit when you got it. You're up 50 points. That's a 50-point trade, my friend. Nice work. Nice work. There we go. There we go. That's how we do. That's how we do. We got 12-year-olds making more money than Top Step TV over here. We got top 12-year-olds making money over here, chat. All right, right now, pulling back here into the middle of the 15-minute range. If we get this breakout, we're looking for pivot points. We're looking for that up there, 930 area. Anything's possible. Anything's possible here. next.
So guys,
Jump in long here. It's going higher still.
in the month of March, today is,
Or you can
what is
just wait.
today's
You don't
date?
have to always trade every move, you know. You can wait for the moves. Being patient is key.
Today's date is the 17th.
Like when you're fishing, you know, when you're fishing, you don't
I have officially had 3 funded accounts this month.
but you still go. 'Cause every time you throw that bait,
Passed my first one at the end of February, which took about a week. I blew it first day or 2 in March. Took 2 days to pass my second challenge,
we're right there in the middle of that 15-minute range. So
and literally I blew it the next day as well.
it's pretty much like
This one took 3 days. Could have passed it on Saturday, but
15 minutes.
I mean not Saturday. Could have passed it on Friday,
Now we're just kind of waiting to see
but I didn't want to chase the remaining
this
$600.
15-minute range. Just reacting.
So,
Kind of holding above there
you
right
know,
now.
I don't have a following big enough to have a chat, and I'm not trading live, so
So we'll see if the Bulls
I will not be trading tomorrow. All right, I got to learn from my mistakes and do something different. Each time I've been funded, I failed my account literally the first day being funded, and I know I'm not the only one who do this. The same struggles that I have is the same struggles that plenty of people have. Okay, my thing, what I get pissed about myself, is not that because I over leveraged on the first day. Well, that too, but I'm not following my plan to a point where I tell myself I'm gonna give myself a break. So just based off of not overthinking it, not, you know, well, one, I did pass a challenge, so I don't want to trade tomorrow. But in the beginning, I did indicate that I don't want to trade on Tuesday. Tuesday, we have no US news. And we also have FOMC on Wednesday. So I typically expect, it doesn't have to be, but I typically expect seek and destroy the day before. Especially when there's funds rate, right? Not just the FOMC meeting, but there's funds rate or interest rate announcement, things like that. So, you know, what I might do is just trade micros just to go ahead and have the date, you know, scalp a micro. But I'm not going to record it. I'm not coming on anything. Wednesday, I might just record to do a tape reading, but hopefully I'm not too enticed. And then what I'll do is I will trade on Thursday. All right, so I am looking to trade on Thursday. Now Thursday doesn't have any US news either. Okay, Thursday does not have any US news either. Oh yes, we do. All right, just had to clear out the distraction. So Thursday we have unemployment claims, Philly Med. I'm looking to trade Thursday only, and then Friday is going to, whoever made money on Thursday, Friday they're gonna try to take that. So I don't want to take the bait. As stated before market open, well, stated since last week, we are getting to that upper part of that daily fair value gap. Okay, now whether it actually reverses, which is what I'm hoping for, but whether it actually reverses or not is one thing. But I wanted to get up here and then see where we go. If we're gonna come back down, we're gonna come back down, you know. And if we are going to reverse, I don't know if it's gonna be a fast reversal, or we're gonna stall a little bit before going. And this literally can be possibly the low of the year. This could possibly be the low of the year, but let's just watch. I think we're bullish. At this point, I don't see a purpose of coming down to these equal lows. I do think that March contract is still in, you know, but let's see here. I don't see equal lows on the June contract.
Alright, you gotta pick one now.
So let's see. this would be sell side liquidity above,
Bigger, but they're moving too quick. How's that gonna work?
not equal those, but
The news is out 10 o'clock here. Alright, let's just stop. Alright, pick one. Pick one. James Jackson. Say it in the mic, guys. Say it in the mic. James Jackson. Winner, chicken dinner. James Jackson.
what I'm looking at so far
Yeah, there he
is that
Sorry, Miss Jackson.
this area that caused this low
All right. NASDAQ.
has traded above, come back down, and so this fair value gap has now become an inversion that possibly this doesn't need to come back into, but I'm watching. We are tape reading. This could be a great day to, there's so many different ways you can look at a narrative, right? You can say, hey, we took last week's high and then we had a change in the state of delivery and someone took these shorts, so you have somebody who took these shorts.
We went on the boat.
All right.
Went to the mall. Got some new clothes. You're a fashionista.
But I'm not even gonna sit here and pretend like I'm some kind of
You're a fashionista. Got the style. Landon's got better
hindsight
style.
trader,
He also wears cologne. So what's your favorite cologne? That you have. Which one do you really want? What would be like your dream cologne? You don't know? I don't even wear cologne. This kid shows up to my house, he's got a bottle of cologne with him. 12-year-old. Alright, NASDAQ right now just kind of sitting here, going nowhere so far. We're right here in the middle of the 15-minute range here. Got the VWAP down there, 690. 690 VWAP down there. Right now, just sitting back, waiting and watching for that right opportunity to make some money. If you're just now tuning in, right now, Landon's up $380 on the day. I'm up 700 times 20. How much is that? Just no, do one more. Yeah, 14,000 on the day right now. That'll pay for your haircut later. You need a haircut. You're looking crazy over here. You got crazy hair, dude. The NASDAQ, the ES here pulling back. Kind of dipping down.
All right.
Dipping down.
All right. What are we doing?
ES also pulling back.
Let me clean up the charts a little bit.
Had potential. But now, pulling back here. And just kind of see what this happens. See what happens here next.
Let me clean up the chart a bit.
720 area. Just kind of bounce there.
Clean the chart a little bit.
James Jackson. Maybe
This is now irrelevant.
Tradeify. I don't know exactly how to respond to get that. They're watching at least. I know that. They're watching. Alright, so we're still just in the middle of that 15-minute range right now. So see if we push back up. We get stuck in below the middle of the 15-minute range.
I do got things to keep me busy today. We got some chores, got some kitchen cleaning. I gotta fix something on the AC, the capacitator. All Alright, it's been years since I slept a night without AC. And last night I didn't have any AC, but it was really, really cool in the house anyway, so not bad. Went old school, man. Open up some windows. Alright, I'm talking too much about. Let's see. I honestly just want to see what happens if we one, take those equal lows, and then once we do take those equal lows, does it reverse or not? That's really what I'm looking for right now, to see what happens. And now I am having an issue. Oh man, come on, don't start messing with me now. Once I start getting skips and stuff like that, I'm just like, man, is this OBS again? Do I need more RAM on my computer? And that's not easy to do with the Mac. You can't, you know, it costs you more money to buy RAM. It's not running. All right, let me get my screen back up. I had to restart my computer, y'all.
Yeah!
All right.
Another one! Another one! He's on fire! He's on fire! All right, now you're up $700 on the day. What do? Do you keep going? Do you walk away? You keep going? Oh my God, he's a degenerate. He's already a degenerate. Already. Hasn't even made money yet. He's already a degenerate. We're screwed, yeah, we are screwed.
All right. So clearly people who want to get short from last week's high, and then you have market open is retap twice. Market could do it as many times as it wants. All right. And if you're in a new contract, then you're looking at this. I am done executing for the day. If I was a betting man, where would I go? I would go short. I would go short. But that's why I don't bet. All right. I honestly feel like if we was going to be short, we should have been short a long time ago. I think many people are trying to short from that daily fair value gap. Many people who see those equal lows are trying to short as well. And sometimes market just doesn't have to. But I'm honestly glad I'm not in it. I'm glad I'm not in anything. You know, if you scalp shorts here,
Looks pretty good.
that wouldn't have been my entry. You know, my entry probably would have been real about here realistically, or maybe at this candle close, and I wouldn't have liked this 17-point high, but that was about 70 something points if you caught that. Anybody who caught the bot at the market open, nah, I'm not gonna say they didn't, but the majority would be liars. But then you also have this right here, this up move. Go on, man.
Not bad, chat, not bad. So on the day right now, we're up over 20,000. I'm up 20,000. He's up 1,000. It just keeps going. Oh Lord.
Are we back to bullish times, y'all?
You up $1,000. Now you walk
Or
away.
just manipulation before FOMC?
He's walking away, chat. He said he's done. You don't want no more of that hot fire. Too much. All right. I like it. Good plan, my friend. Good plan. That's amazing, actually. He took multiple trades here today. One of them was a loser, but
All right. So hypothetically, if I
he had the right idea.
get my funded account by tomorrow,
Locked in profit. Tried
the
to take a long
18th,
year, got
10
stopped dead.
days
Wasn't stopped
from
dead by the right
tomorrow.
problem. Blame dad
will be April the 1st. Am I getting paid on April Fools? How poetic would that be? We'll see. We'll see.
Congratulations. I guess the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Apple does not fall far from the tree. That's right. Right now, just sitting here waiting and watching, wait for the right opportunities. He says out of here.
I'm gonna turn the music up just a little bit. I got at least jam on here.
He's actually been, he was here all weekend long helping me build some of the new VDH stuff. I'll show you actually, maybe while we wait for the market to do something here, NASDAQ right
1016.
now,
What is the weather like right now? I got things to do today. 60 degrees outside. If we make new highs, I'll close the recording and expect us to go up here. But I really want to see what happens if we get these equal lows. That's what I really want to see. Everybody who's seeing this as support and resistance or some kind of trend line, that's who I want to get wrecked. Right? That's why I feel like the drum liquidity is like kidding me. But you know what? Go ahead, let it look good until Wednesday. And then Wednesday, drop that shit and buy that dip.
we're going big. We got a lot of stuff going on this week. Like I said, Nutty Bar, Alpine Trader. It's going to be a big week, a lot of action, and a lot of fun.
When the day is over, sometime tonight, I will evaluate and start marking up June's contract.
Nutty Bar will be here on Wednesday, and then Alpine Trader will be here on Wednesday as well. Wednesday, Thursday. I mean, I think Landon made more money than Nutty Bar today. I'm gonna call Nutty Bar and find out how much he made. Landon, come here. All right, I'm gonna call this guy, right? And then if he's made less than you did, you gotta make fun of him. You make fun of him like, damn, you suck, and then just walk away. Where's this token? You made 1,000. Yeah. We'll find out what Nutty Bar is. Let's find out. Audio is tripping Tell him, Landon.
Yeah,
How much? Put $1,000 on it.
Play in the game of Fortnite. I'll brush up on my skills.
I don't know.
Put some money on it.
Put some money on it.
Oh dear.
Oh, and I mean, that's what he's better at. Oh, man. Hey, we just wanted to call and check in. Everyone's pumped up. I think you saw the new streaming setup. It's going to be so nice. I'm going to look at your beautiful face, look at Alpine's beautiful face. We can talk and hang out and have a good time. Big happy family at the BDH. Big dad heaven. Big dad heaven. Big daddy heaven. There you go. All right. Well, hey, you get back to making money. I'll get back to making money. We'll see you here on Wednesday, baby. All right. Later, bro. These Amish. He don't know about that Fortnite. Trust me. Ain't no way he gonna beat you at Fortnite. He's Amish. He's only been playing Fortnite for like a year. Landon's been playing Fortnite since it came out. All right, right now 19,800 is sitting there. Yes, I'm still trading the March contracts. Still trading March contracts. I don't normally change over until like I have to, and the volume tells me to. Right now, the volume is not telling me to. If you look here on the volume here, we got 200,000 contracts traded for March and only 166,000. That should probably change like maybe tomorrow or the day after, but that's all we're really looking at is the actual volume. That is funny. I forgot about that. You know, Amish people can build. You're not wrong about that. They build fast. Maybe you think the Amish building skills also apply to day trading? I mean, or to Fortnite? That'd be interesting to see. Is there a lot of pent-up energy here is the question. Now the Nasdaq is holding right here in the middle of this 15-minute range. I would say I'm leaning more towards the bullish kind of breakout to the upside here, but there's also no trade right now, just waiting. Get back below that 19,800 area and then see if we don't go 850s up there, 870s next. Getting very tight here, very tight here. And if you're wondering why I don't just go long right here, well, you know how that goes. If you go long right here, it's gonna fucking plummet straight down. So let the market decide which way it wants to go before putting on the trade, my friends. Let the market do what it's gonna do. And you make the money. Someone in the chat said marker is looking short. Uh-oh. What would that lawyer say about your tip? I don't know. That my 12-year-old is going to make more money and do more of his life than any lawyer out there, I guess. I don't know. Something like that. Nasdaq dipping right here, right in the middle of this range right now. Got the VWAP down there. We've got
Okay, look like we getting that down move.
There's the dip. And this is why I did not get long at the 780.
updating my emails while I watch this price action, guys.
Can you tell us what the lawyer was all about?
After so many years, I am going to be
I just paid
deactivating one of mine.
a friend of mine to come and look like he was a lawyer just to get everybody all worked up. It's entertainment, people. Some of the people caught on to it. There were a couple people that like caught on to the fact that he was probably not a real lawyer. I mean, why would I let a lawyer just come into my? Why would I let him come into the BDH? You know, I rented a lawyer just like my cars. You're right about that. Like I said, basically what happens is Patrick Whelan LLC buys the cars, and then Patrick Whelan rents the cars from the LLC. So, yes, I rent all my cars to myself. When he was writing on a notepad. Ugh. Gotta watch out about notepad. NASDAQ right now dumping straight down there right to the VWAP now. All right, we're getting the 15-minute opening range break. Looks like trouble down here.
All right, look like March contracts.
Degrees, by the way, 683, 15-minute low down there right now at the VWAP here. At the VWAP right now. You're a bum. Material things aren't going to save your soul. Okay. Cool, bro. Good job. The fuck? Imagine waking up in the morning and then going on YouTube and going and being like, "Dear Patrick, you're a loser. You're a loser, and you're never." VWAP. We lose that 700 level. Not looking good. 650s or so next. 15-minute chart. Ooh. Nasty. Happy St. Patrick's Day. There you go. James Jackson, email info@onlyprofiters.com. We'll try to figure out how to get you the account from Tradeify. They came in here and just dropped the giveaway and just don't know how to get the giveaway. Norwegian day trader, 8 out of 8 green days with 16 funded accounts. Much thanks to me. I love it. Love to hear it, my friend. Nice work. Norwegian day trader getting a huge payout tomorrow. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. There we go. Right, trying to break through here. We lose this 700 area. 650 area next, and then could even move right down there in the 600s. Pivot point down there at the 582s. You got the overnight low here at the 554s. Just being patient. Let's get away from the VWAP here. We're right there at the bottom of the range. We're right there in the VWAP. Gotta see who wants to play. Is your G-Wagon the first Mercedes that you've ever had? My mom had a Mercedes back in the day, but this is the first one that I owned, yeah. I've rented them before, like when I was traveling, like as like rental cars, but never owned one. Name of the EMA, well that's, the blue line is the 14 EMA. Looking very, very troublesome here. Get this bear side break, downside break through the 15-minute range, and start to move down here. We're right there at Friday's close as well. Dipping through the 700s here now.
Come on, come on, come on.
Took a little short
Let's go, March contracts with the draw on liquidity.
Get that nice and easy here. We're at 1,400 on the day. 1,400, 20 accounts. I like it a lot. Land is up 1,000. I think she still wants to go lower though. Dakota is literally the worst. Nah, definitely not the worst trader on earth. Market is kind of chopping around right down there at the bottom of the range now. Back above the VWAP. That's the problem. Whenever we're like right around that VWAP area, you got to think this is there's a lot of people out there that look at this as a buying opportunity, right? They're looking to buy this dip into the VWAP because again, what does a VWAP mean? The VWAP is the volume weighted average price. So if you're looking to get long, well, do you want to get long here? Do you want to get long here? Or do you want to get long down here? So right now, we'll see if that's going to be the case. The Bulls holding there. Look at that, 40 points right back up off the VWAP there.
I do not like that.
That Friday,
For those who short,
close, that dotted line.
it's like prices not wanting to get there, man. It's playing around. It is 10:39. I'll give it to 11 the latest, man. I know this is not this is a boring one today.
See you all Tuesday. See you later, Doug New. Doug New's going. He's going.
Price is just playing around. Let me see what ES did.
This is the 14 man. I changed
ES is still playing around as well.
after Ruben was here. Convinced me to go.
ES is still playing around. Market open.
See what works best for you.
And that's both on March and June contracts. So if we come back up here, I'll just call it a day. I'm trying to see if we get down here. Alright guys, closing this. Look like it's just playing around today. And I don't know if we're coming back down, but you guys have my drawn liquidity here. And then I just want to see if we hold up here or not. So, yeah, that's enough. I'm out of here for the day.
Redsing, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Redsing, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, push it, push it, push it.
Alright guys.
Redsing, life is walking through the mud.